Hey, this is my take. I'm John Kavakis. Today we're going to talk to you about GLM's 1957 Imperial Crown Convertible. 57 was a milestone year for Chrysler. It was the first time that the Imperial actually outsold the Lincoln. For decades, the Imperial had been a trim level on Chrysler. In 1955, it became a brand unto its own. Now, that was a year that a guy named Virgil Exner debuted the forward look. This was a design philosophy that was meant to evoke power, speed, the future. It was a look forward, and it had an influence on all car design from the mid-50s on. So the 57 Imperial was kind of, some people think, the crown jewel of that whole era. I think they kept on improving each year, but 1957 certainly made a statement. It was on a dedicated platform, different from Chrysler. That allowed the design to be lower, longer, wider, more forward-looking. Just an amazing thing. And the 57 design had two elements that became iconic for Chrysler and for most of the industry. One of them was the compound curved windshield, curved up into the roofline, curved around to the sides. Almost all the manufacturers picked up on that. But the other thing was those gun sight taillights. They're meant to look like a high-end rifle sight, maybe more like a fighter pilot's gun sights as he was zeroing in on somebody. Those were a lasting part of Imperial design for several years. And Virgil Exner just did a fantastic job with this. So it wasn't just a beautiful design, it was a powerhouse. It had a 392 cubic inch V8 Hemi underneath the hood, so it had all the power to back up that design. The other thing about 1957 was the headlight arrangement. So you could get it with one headlight or two headlights. Two headlights were legal in some states. Some states did not allow it, only allowed one headlight. And this is some of the magic that GLM has done. They brought us a 143rd resin model of 57 Imperial in 5 distinct variations. Now, let me describe them to you. Then I'm going to get them out of the box and get them on the turntable and show you. This is a really fantastic model. But here are the colors that are available. It comes in black with a blue interior, top down, dual headlights on each side. Comes with black with a blue interior with the top up, single headlights on each side. It comes in beige with a burgundy interior, top up, single lights. It comes in beige with a green interior. Now this is great because it's a different top up, a different color combination than the top down, and we don't see a lot of that, but it's beige with a green interior, top up, green top. It also comes in a really dynamic looking red with a blue interior, top down, and single headlights. So let's take a look at the models, and you tell me which one you like. Leave it in the comments. So here are the two versions of the beige. And like I said, this is an unusual thing for a manufacturer to do. They've got two different colors of interior, two different configurations on headlights. The great thing about this is you can buy all 5 models and have a unique model in each one. As you can see, very classy color combination. These things shine underneath the lights. They look really good. I think it's something that's kind of befitting the image Imperial is trying to project. Now here's the black, very elegant looking. I mean, who doesn't like a black luxury car? It's almost iconic. But what GLM has done here is put that blue interior in a two-tone blue that really makes the model pop. I mean, it's just really dynamic looking, and that white top on the top up just adds to the whole aura of what the car is supposed to be. Okay, I'm going to admit that this red took me by surprise. I was prepared not to like it, but I got this thing out of the box and under the lights, and now every time I look at it, I like it more. It's a bold design. It is right in your face. It's audacious, and I think it's just beautiful and emblematic of the mid-50s, in particular of Chrysler, and how far forward and how bold they were in their styling. Look at some of the details here. GLM sent me a picture of the dash before it was installed in the car. Extremely detailed. A lot is picked out there. The gauges are very realistic. Here's the entire interior. Again, take a look at those gauges. They're almost spinning. I really like the way they look. And the padding on the dash. The seats are picked out nicely. The door panels are very nicely bejeweled. Very accurate looking interior. Look at that steering wheel. You can see the wheel covers, the badging, The bumpers, the trim, everything is super accurate everywhere you look. Here's a look at the front end, the grill picked out. This is a dual headlight version. You see the grill is very nicely textured, badging, finish on it is just amazing. Here's a look at that controversial spare tire cover. Some people love them, some people hate them. It certainly is distinctive. There they are, all 5 variations of the 1957 Imperial from GLM. Really is a fantastic model. And you know, the colors really evoke that period in the 50s where if you knew how to work the order form, you could get just about anything you wanted as far as paint and interior combinations. I got to be honest with you, on that red one, I wasn't sure until I got it under the camera. And the more I look at that, the more I like it. It's an unusual color combination, but man, I will tell you, it pops. Now, these are $139 plus shipping. You can get them at your favorite dealer. Toy Car Geek has them. Legacy Diecast has them. I'll put the address up here so you can take a look at either one of those. And we're going to have them at the Chicago show next week. We got some other surprises coming up for the Chicago show as well. I hope you're going to be able to join us. We've got a great weekend coming up, starting in South Bend, ending up in Chicago. 2 shows, one on Saturday, Jeff Lane's 143rd Automobilia, and the Countryside Collectors Classic on Sunday. We'll be there. We've got a whole bunch of stuff to show you. I hope you get a chance to see it. If not, we'll be taking pictures. We'll show everybody what it's like. So thank you so much for spending time with me. If you like the video, give me a like down there in the right-hand corner. Love to hear your comments. Really love to see which color you like the most. And I'll be back real soon with more videos. Thanks for tuning in.